Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which I'm going to refurbish the Nokia 6700C. It's well, perfectly functional, but also it has some problems, like the fact that this keeps falling off the speakers. Now you hear it, now you don't. So I'll have to change it. Well, let's get to work. Since this thing already came off so quickly. Oh, I must be careful, it has some cables here. Oh no, it's not cables, it's just this thing. Oh my god, the speakers are snapped. Oh my god. It has two size speakers, small one and big one. Oh, this one is the earpiece. I get it now. Also, how is this thing mounted here? Well, we have parts falling everywhere. I'm not going to keep anything from the old body shell since it's, well, pretty wrecked. There we go. Full metal body. No wonder these phones are expensive. Oh my, oh, what's on the screen? So we'll definitely need some cleaning on these two camera and gallery, or camera and record button. I don't know what they actually do. This is the interior. I can just leave it like that, put the new one, and that's that. But come on, what kind of a refurbish would that be if we don't do it properly? Two screws there, and this should come right off, right? Oh, this is metal. Nice. Feels nice to hold. There we have the display. Also, the display doesn't work on other Nokia. Apparently it's made specifically for the 6700C. There we go. This should just get out like this, eh? There we go. Oh, what's still holding? Oh yeah, this guy. Okay. You have to take your time with this phone, it's very pretentious. There we go. This little piece. Yeah, so this phone is too corroded. And I think I'm gonna keep it for parts and refurbish my gray one. Just need to clean this up a bit. Yeah, use it in my good one. There we have the other one. Oh, and this one was also salvage one. Why are you people selling these things? These are not even the same screw. Yeah, if you don't know what you're buying, this is what you get. So annoying. Those were supposed to be Torx screws. Well, that's how I know anyway, but the other one was Torx. Nokia doesn't work too much with normal screws. This is in good condition to clean and to reuse. Now this thing, which is not so smooth like the other, I think it's a bit corroded, not a problem. So I will clean this and be right back to reassemble it. Okay, time to put everything back together. There we go. There we go. Sorry if I was a bit silent in this video. I'm just a bit tired. Alright. And to put in the battery and start this phone up. Where did I put the new one? Here it is. Better already. And there we have the phone, fully functional. It's not that easy, but it's not that hard either. Oh. There we have it. Fully functional. Now to put it in my showcase. So this was the 7700C. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, it helps me a lot. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Who knows what other phone I will refurbish. I don't know. I will see. Well, until next time, I wish you an awesome day. Bye bye.